Hi guys, my name is Sheikh Imran. Good morning. I'm back with the new sessions today and learn Tally. So today I'm going to teach you about how to create stock item. What's the meaning of stock item? Suppose I'm dealing with the mobile smartphones and I'm having a showroom of smartphones. So I'll sell the smartphone only. So suppose taking an example that I'm keeping a mobile of Samsung, Redmi, and Vivo. So unless and until I'll not have the stock name in my list of Tally, then I'll not be able to sell the stock on my mobile or smartphone or the brand names. So I'm keeping the respective brands. For example, take it as an example of Redmi. So today that I'm going to teach you how to make stock item in Tally through which we can go for the selling process. So let's go and open the Tally as my Tally is already open existing. A new company have created ABC company. So in the previous sessions I have taught you that how to create ledgers, single ledgers and multiple ledgers. I hope you all remember them and I hope you all are practicing also. Now today I'm going to teach you how to create stock item. Now first you have to click on inventory info or just press I on your keyboard. Then click on stock items. Now you can see that there's a two categories of the mode of making stock items, single stock items and multiple stock items. As you all know, it's fully similar with the category of ledgers that in the previous session I was making that I taught you that how to create ledgers in single entry mode, single mode and multiple ledger mode. So this is also similar to stock item or ledger, that single stock item mode and multiple stock items mode. So now I'm going to teach you first step by step in single mode. In single mode, you can create stock only one at a time, one stock at a time. And in a multiple stock items, it's similar that you can mix bulk or 20 items, 50 items, 100 items in one shot. So let's go in a single mode. Create. Press the option create or click. Here's my screen came to make or to create. So here you can see it's written stock item creation. I hope you can see. So first I'm making my stock. I am having a Redmi mobile, Redmi Y1. This is my model number. It's written already exist. I've already made before. So let's checking Redmi Y2 in a primary unit. It will be in primary only under primary unit. Yes. In what unit you are going to sell your mobile? In purchase or dozen or bulk? So take it as an example of pieces. I'm taking as a pieces. And if this unit is not created before, then you have to create this unit. So I'm taking as a pieces. I have 10 pieces of mobile already. I have in my shoulders. Now weight is 14,000 per mobile or per rate. So total value is 1,40,000. So this means I'm having a mobile of 10 pieces in my showroom already. Rate is 14,000 including or excluding GST as per your requirements or respective sales process. This is my total value 1,40,000 of the total mobile 10 mobiles. So this is how my stock is got created. Now I can check whether my stock is created or not successfully. Come to get your tally, go to inventory info, then stock items, then display. Previously I was creating, now display whether my stock has created or not. Yeah, I can see the new Y2. Yeah, I've just created, it's there. Now I'm showing you another example. Again create Samsung. Samsung Pro 2. This will be under primary, under pieces only. This mobile I have only 5 pieces, cost 18,000 with GST and all. So I'm having a value of 90,000. So I'm having a stock of value 90,000. 5 pieces, 18,000 per piece. Total is 90,000. Again, you can go back with the escape button. Fully escape. I'm coming to gateway of Tally, and you can see the steps how to see display. Inventory info. First, you have to go click on inventory info, then stock items, then display. See, you can see Samsung Pro 2 I have made. Already have 5 pieces. So when I'll go to sell this Samsung Pro 2, then they will show me these 5 pieces there during my billing process. So this is how we can create stock item in a single mode. I hope this will work for you all. You all guys can practice in the house or offices or colleges or cyber cafe as personally. Thank you very much. I'll come soon at earliest as possible with the new sessions count. Thank you very much.